Hello everyone, I hope all are you well. Today I'm going to test out a Polygel kit which has been sent to me by BURANO the company, which is available on Amazon and on AliExpress, so you can buy from anywhere you want to. Also, I'm going to announce a giveaway contest in the end of the video, so stay tuned. There is a filer and a buffer in this box. Then there is a brush, which is like having two sides. One is a spatula and other one is gel brush. Then there is a gel solution which is specially made for polygels, base coat, top coat, and a primer, which is like so important in this kit. 4 kind of polygels are there, which are light pink, dark pink, clear, and white. There are dual forms and nail forms, both are given in this kit, so you can use anything you want to according to your facility. And there is a card given in this kit which describes everything in details. So let's prep our nails and get started. Now I am going to apply a base coat on my nails and then going to dry it in UV LED lamp for 1 minute. Now it's time to apply a primer, which is like so important to make your nails stay for more than 30 days. Again, going to cure it in UV lamp for 1 minute. Now it's time to take out some solution in a cap or in anything that you have. I don't know how many nail forms are there in this packet, but I know there are a lot of them and of every size, so you can adjust this according to your nail size. Make sure it reaches sidewall to sidewall and it's like perfect for your nail, so you can add a polygel in it. Now I have added the polygel in the dual form and using this brush to slightly spread out all of the polygel under the dual form. Going to press the dual form against my thumbnail and going to cure it in UV LED for 1 minute. Now going to take off the dual form from my nail because the polygel is thick to my natural nails. Now going to follow the same procedure for all of my remaining nails. Now it's time to buff them all and give them a perfect shape of your choice. Going to apply a top coat, which is also given in this kit, and this top coat is so good, like it dried the nail in just 30 seconds. You don't need to put your nails in UV LED lamp for more than 30 seconds. I thought about why not to put some blings on it, so I took out some Swarovski crystals to put them on my nails. Every product link is given in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. This polygel is so easy to work with. This is really light and also very strong. You know, it's also very safe because it doesn't have monomer in it, like it's monomer free, and there is no airborne dust in it. Also, it's so flawless when you're applying it. It suits everyone from home DIY to experienced professional, like any person. time for a Mother's Day giveaway. I'm going to pick up 2 lucky winners and they are going to win this whole kit by BURANO. You just have to follow 3 simple steps. Subscribe to my channel New Tricks, follow me on my Instagram page Nails Arkady, comment down below and let me know where you're from and what do you think about this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!